Hello everyone, this is Cheryl from Landpack. Today I'm going to show you about our Doypack machine for packing pickle chips. So this is our sample product. Okay, so now let's go. So this is our screen of the multi-tab weighers. As you can see, we have 10 small weighers here, and we will combine it together about the weight. And we only need to touch this button and this button so the weigher can work. And here is our touch screen of our Doypack machine. Here is the automatic page, and here is the manual page, alarm page, and all the functions. When we debug this machine, we can touch this function to do the testing. And here is the debugging page. And here are the temperature penalty, and this green button is the start button, and here is the emergency button. And this place is for putting bags like this, and we can put the bags to this level. After feeding bags, this part will clap the bag up and send it to the next working station. As you can see from this side, we can see there is a blue section will open the bottom of the bag, this place. So from this side, we can see there is still a section can open the upper part of the bag. After that, we go to the next working station. This station is for feeding materials. As you can see, we already put some pickle chips into the bag. After feeding the material, we go to the next part. And to this working station, the bag will have an action from this to strand it tight to like this. Then we will send to the next working station to heat sealing the bag. So after that, the bag will be like this. After sealing, all the finished product will be sent from this output conveyor. This is our hopper of the material conveyor. We can put all our products into this hopper, and it has a vibration function to send the material in this conveyor belt. And this conveyor belt is special for like pickle chips and other vegetable products. As you can see at the top, this conveyor belt will send our material to the multi-head weigher. So the material will fall from this part and fall on the hopper of the multi-head weigher. And this weigher has dimple surface, as you can see. We call it here. It's a dimple surface. It's customized for the products like this. It's kind of a little wet. Fresh pickle chips. Other kinds of this state can also use this weigher. And after that, this weigher will fall on the first hopper, then I will fall on to the next scale here. And here we'll have a weighing sensor over there. And through the PLC, we will combine all the weight to match the target weight, then fall to the feeding hopper. And as you can see, after combine target weight, fall in the feeding hopper like this. So this is all about our machines. So if you liked it, you can share these links to your friends and give us a comment down below and give us a thumbs up. So see you next time. Bye bye.